Hi, this is Patrick from LevelCloud. One of the questions we get a lot is, what is the cloud? How do we define what the cloud is? And today I just wanted to take a moment and explain to you what the cloud is exactly. But before I explain exactly what the cloud is, I need to clarify several things. First, what is on-site IT? What is off-site IT? And how do they relate? To clarify, on-site IT is defined as devices, computers, servers, everything where your business location is. It's where you conduct business. That's where your information is. Off-site IT, rather, is when something is managed for you. Say your servers are off-site, your information is stored off-site, the people that service your equipment are off-site, and when you need something, they will come to you. Cloud is a little bit more complex. It takes it a step further in that the cloud is completely off-site. All your servers are off-site. All your information is on those servers. It's backed up to multiple locations in secure data centers. And to give you a better idea of what that looks like, I'm going to share this video with you. This is actually the provider that stores our data for our clients here. And let me show you. So as you can see here, it's behind a gate. This is the data center physically. When you come in here, there's a code that you have to enter. Once you enter the code on this data pad, you're allowed in. Now, once you come in, I wanted to show you an aerial view of this building. Here is our cooling units. There are the two sides, the two wings of the data center, so to speak. And once you come through these doors, you're going to be met by a security station here. They're going to ask for your ID, and you as the client, generally speaking, will not come to this site. This is for only technicians that need access, that work at the data center. Once you're met by the security personnel, you'll go to the next area. It's a biometric scanner. So you come in here, this door will close behind you, and there's a biometric element here. So generally speaking, it's a retina scanner or a thumbprint. You'll see that door close. They watch you. Security is very tight. And once you enter your thumbprint, you'll be allowed to move on. I'm just going to skip ahead. Now from here, you're going to be in the main wing. Let me show you. You can move on a little bit. So you're going to be brought to this data center. So you'll eventually get access. This is where the cloud lives. When you think of the cloud, it's not some abstract out there thing. It's actually a physical data center. It's in multiple locations, generally speaking. Your data is backed up, but it is secure on a physical device, on these servers. Now, these servers are what power your day-to-day operations. So, to take it a step further to explain, let me show you a workstation. Now, say this is your office, for example. You see your monitors here, your computers are down here, you'll see a tower. That's where your personnel will actually work from. But the thing is that the processing power, when you log on to the cloud and use a cloud-based server, you're not actually using the processing power of these machines. You're actually using the processing power of these servers. So these computers are just terminals. They're just windows. They're looking glass outside to the cloud, and all the processing power is taking place on these server racks. And that's kind of how we are able to provide a higher level of processing and efficiency, because servers have much more processing power than your local machine would. Let me reiterate that there is a very high level of security at these data centers, and to stress this, generally speaking, in an office, you're not going to be able to provide the same amount of security and lockdown that these data centers would. So your data, your private information, is actually more safe in the cloud as opposed to having it on site. If you can provide armed guards, biometric access, you generally can't match the level of security that our provider, our cloud provider, delivers to you.